Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to take a look at this trade on ES that I'm trading right now live. So today I'm looking for a shorting entry because the overall direction I see is it wanted to go lower, and as you can see here, entry around this area here, right? After we're seeing this fair value gaps, right? And we also see that price initially moved to the upside. For me, this is not really the move it wanted to go to the upside. It's just to take out this liquidity above this high right here. This is a fake move, right? So if you go from a 5-minute time frame here, you can see that on the daily time frame, on the 5-minute time frame, you can see that the whole day here, it been creating high, right? Here, high, but it never taken out, right? You can see here we have this low market have going to the downside right here, going higher, take out this high, and also the high it created at 7 a.m. right, New York time. So when I see this, I know that when price take this high out, what eventually it does is take out liquidity above this, right? And the real direction that I want it to go is to the downside. So what I do, I go down here and I'm looking for the sell side liquidity. Where is the sell side? And for me, clearly I see that this low here is created before the move to take out that high. So eventually we have this high here as liquidity grab. Okay, so that is buy side liquidity get taken out right there. Okay, so a lot of people doesn't know it. They trying to go in long here, but it actually a fake out, right? So we're having uh the buyers for today is short entry. Okay, as you can see here, we go into the trade, we draw down a little bit, price pull back to our 1-minute fair value gaps. As you can see here, we also have what market structure shift here and here, right? You see that we have this fair value gaps up here as well, but for me, I'm not entry here yet because I want to see a little bit more market structure shift. And as you can see, we have another one right here and also a fair value gaps right here. Really beautiful. And as you can see, we was in drawdown quite a little bit, yeah, for maybe five minutes or something like that. And then we have a move to downside, and you can see here sell side is taken out. At this point, you can see we already hit it with just 2 candle, which is really nice. And for me, I expect price to go a lot lower and potentially maybe this low here. But if for me, when I see that price taking out this liquidity like this, it could go much lower. But of course, you have to take out partial. You cannot just hold it, because price could reverse. But that's the whole idea. Let's go to 1 hour real quick here. So the 1 hour, it's really the same thing here, right? We have the price come back to this. If you take out the fib, put it on the top of this candle here, right? And the low of it, you can see that, and you extend it out. What is this? You can see here the 0.5. This is the consequent encroachment. Okay, it's the middle point of the bearish order block. It is the consequent encroachment. You see that price hit it, and you see the body of the candle here close below it. It's respect that consequent encroachment. It's really powerful. Okay, look how precise it is. It does go higher, but look at the body of it. It close below it. It respect that consequent encroachment of that bearish order block. Okay, which is the halfway point of it. You put the fib on the top and the bottom of the bottle, the candle, and the halfway point of it, which is the consequent encroachment, 0.5, and look how it respect. Okay, so that also another confluence that I think that price would go lower for today after I take out that short-term high here, and also the high that created early, that day, early today. So yeah, let's go back to our 5-minute candle here. You can see it going into that consequent encroachment, like I said before, and it respect it, come to the downside, it move higher, take out the buy side liquidity, and now we have a sell side liquidity as our target. Okay, so right here it pulled back a little bit, but it's totally fine. Now we can move that to this one here is a liquidity, and at this point you just wait. And I think that's all for this right here. I'm going to update for you guys when we price maybe come down here or go a little bit lower, but I will update when I sing price or has something interesting that I want to show you, I will update you guys. Okay, welcome back. So here the trade that I took, right? We're still going to the downside on US 500. Okay, as you can see, the low that I put it here, price literally go to the downside. Let's go take a look at Nasdaq because I already trade Nasdaq today as well. So you can see the Nasdaq one is pretty similar to US 500. We have this liquidity sweep of this high here, right? Taking out liquidity, but it's a fake out, and we're going back into our position here because you can see we have fair value gaps here, right? Market structure shift again, fair value gaps really clean. I was entry here a little bit earlier. You can see price go a little bit higher, almost taking me out, but then it reverse to the downside, which is really nice to see. Okay, so that is the entry for today. It was a really quick entry. I think around, sorry, here. Wait, I'm sorry. Okay, so it's around 21 minutes, right? We hit our target already. I already closed my position here. So yeah, it's really beautiful trade. Let me put it here. Yeah. So I already closed at around 4, I think, maybe a little bit higher, but we already out, and it was a beautiful trade to the downside. You can see a little bit of drawdown, but it's fine. So again, go back to the 15-minute time frame here. So this is on Nasdaq, right? US 100. You can see I see the fair value gaps here, really clean fair value gaps. Price go into it, and again take out the liquidity that we wanted to see. And it was really clean day here. You see that we have the initial move to the upside. I think this is gonna fake a lot of trader, that wanted to go long here because they see this big move, this big candle. They try to chase it. They try to entry, maybe break out here. They try to entry, but maybe in a short period of time, you can see they actually go to the upside, but then it's instantly reverse to the downside and take them out. Okay, so that's why you have to understand liquidity and not become liquidity. Okay, so that is beautiful entry on US 100 and US 500. Yeah, this one is still a little bit slow, but it's moving in our direction. Okay, so it's fine. I'm managing it, so it's all good. But maybe maybe I'm gonna hold a little bit longer to the downside here. But that's not the point. The point is here how you can spot a good entry, which is like today. You can see that we have this a really nice move, fake out a lot of people, fair value gaps, also market structure shift here, market structure shift here, come back to it and enter and rewrite it to the downside. Okay, so that just the trade for today, and I hope you learned something from this video. We're gonna have a lot more live video like this so you can understand what happened each day, and I think that will help you a lot. And yeah, thank you for watching this video, and subscribe because we're gonna have a lot more video like this that gonna give you a ton of new idea and knowledge that going to improve your trading for the better. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.